Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're out in Falmouth and we're giving you a tour of the Falmouth cruise ship pier. Now this is a number one cruise ship pier or cruise ship terminal in Jamaica and the Caribbean. It wins awards every year for the number one cruise ship terminal. Now today our ship is actually at the pier. It's a celebrity cruise ship. But what makes the Falmouth cruise ship terminal so special is that the largest ships in the world call on this port. It's one of the few ports in the Caribbean that can accommodate the largest ships in the world. Now, currently, the largest ships in the world belong to Royal Caribbean. They are the Icon of the Seas, and that is the largest cruise ship ever built, launched in 2024. Then you have the Star of the Seas, the sister ship to the Icon of the Seas, and that ship it hasn't started to transport passengers yet, but it's going to make its maiden voyage in 2025. And then you have the Utopia of the Seas, part of the Oasis class of ships, launched in 2024. All these ships, that are at sea, call upon the Falmouth cruise ship pier. And the Star of the Seas, when it debuts in 2025, will be calling on the Falmouth cruise ship pier because this cruise ship pier can accommodate these massive ships. And look at the facilities for this cruise ship pier. Top of the line, some of the best you will find anywhere in the world. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this. Falmouth, located in Trelawney on Jamaica's north coast, has transformed over the past decade into one of the Caribbean's premier cruise destinations. The town's historic charm, proximity to major attractions, and purpose-built port have made it a key stop for the world's largest cruise ships. With the global cruise industry dominated by Royal Caribbean International's massive vessels, the question arises, do the three largest cruise ships in the world actually call on Falmouth? The answer is yes. At least some of them do, as Falmouth remains one of the few Caribbean ports equipped to accommodate these maritime giants. As of 2025, the three largest cruise ships in the world belong to Royal Caribbean, Icon, and Oasis classes. Icon of the Seas, the largest cruise ship ever built, launched in 2024. Number 2, Star of the Seas, sister ship to Icon, debuting in 2024. Number 3, Utopia of the Seas, part of the Oasis class, launched in 2024. Each of these ships exceed 1,190 feet, over 360 meters in length, with gross tonnage between 230,000 and 250,000 gross tons, and capacity for nearly 8,000 passengers and crew combined. They represent the height of modern cruise technology and luxury, offering everything from water parks and sky domes to neighborhoods at sea. To host vessels of this size, a port requires deep water, wide berths, and advanced docking infrastructure. The Falmouth Cruise Port, developed through a partnership with Royal Caribbean International and the Port Authority of Jamaica, was designed specifically for the Oasis-class ships, which were once the largest in the world. Opened in 2019, the port includes 2 berths capable of accommodating ships up to 360 meters long, alongside customs, shopping, and tour facilities. This port investment has been a game changer for Jamaica's cruise sector. Before its expansion, only Montego Bay and Ocho Rios served as major docking points, and neither could handle the larger ships. Falmouth's port solved that problem, opening the door for record-breaking vessels to make regular stops. Falmouth has hosted several of the world's largest cruise ships in recent years. In 2016, the Harmony of the Seas, then the largest ship in the world, made its inaugural visit to the port. Later, the Wonder of the Seas, another Oasis-class giant, docked at Falmouth in December 2022, marking a major milestone for Jamaica's tourism industry. These visits demonstrate that the port's infrastructure can support the size and weight of modern megaships. The newly launched Icon of the Seas and Utopia of the Seas are also designed to call at ports like Falmouth on select itineraries in the Caribbean, depending on scheduling and seasonal demand. Although Star of the Seas has only recently entered service, it too is expected to include Falmouth in future cruise rotations. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.